For me, it's irritating and it's disgusting, and I am concerned about your mental state. I am really concerned about it. Curly, it takes two to tango. You're the one here that say you're a big deal, and I don't mean to be insultive, because I'm going to tell you from the bottom of my heart. You're the one here that say you're a big deal. I see you have your sheet. I tell you, I used to watch you when you was singing. I used to look, remember, and I tell you, I used to like hear you sing. Even that singing in my head. When you sing the members only is the funniest thing to me. You're very funny with when you were doing your karaoke. I really used to watch you, Curly, but for the last year and something, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I really, and me and you have had your difference. You had said you could send money when you never send any, but for me, I can say, you know what, forget it. But Curly, come here. Don't you think it's time for you to stay focused and invest more time in your business and more time in yourself? Curly, you ever sit down and look and think that you're putting your mental state and your health at risk? I would rather to see you investing that time in your son. I would rather to see you're investing that time in your sheets and curtain. I would rather to see you're investing that time in your grandson. Curly, you ever, and I know plenty of people must talk to you, because I am sure that was what draw people like Winter from in your circle. And you don't look around and see that you are the only one losing here. Why? You know, when you listen to me, and I want to say this fair, because I talk about Donna. People will always talk about Donna. Curly, you are not obligated to like Donna, but with the body shame and the bringing down and what you are doing, even with the lady, where that bitterness come from, and you know, most of what happened to you on the internet is because of that bitterness, what you profess towards the lady, when you and that lady should be friend or was friend. Come on, Curly man. Come on. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go, Curly. Let it go. Put it down, Curly. Put it down. For your health and your mind state, put it down. Stay focused. Why are you trying to go somewhere where you know what are you battling for? Because you're not winning. You are not winning, Curly. What you battle for? What's the fight about? The war is too long. Curly, you ever hear the word an eye for an eye, the whole world end up blind? And that's what you're doing. You're blinding yourself. You have a business. You have to live. Who cares? Everybody couldn't be house owner, but it's the way you profess the things that you do on the internet. I can imagine how you feel. I can imagine how you feel. I can imagine how your family feel. What is wrong with you? What is wrong? Can't you see? You're well drained. It's showing under the makeup on your face. You're not even gaining from the content. Some people does not worth arguing with Curly. It doesn't prove that you're the biggest or you're the baddest on the media, Curly. And I am sure your followers, your members only must feel it. People like Winter, I am sure, as mischievous as she be, I am sure Jennifer don't like this. Curly, you're not the only time. I am the Tom Jones. I am the nobody in my family too. But you're getting way. Why are you hurting yourself? I don't care. Why are you hurting yourself? Why are you draining yourself mentally and emotionally, Curly? You profess the big deal, the queen, the best. Don't do these things. You have so much beautiful cheat and curtain and you take 3 hours cursing and going on, and when you can ball out and sell your sheets. Curly, we all struggle at times, we all fall on hard times. Try to build yourself back. Try to be the big deal. Try and be in the big deal that you tell. Big deal, don't do these things. If you're such a queen, it's time for you to get on your throne, Curly. It is time for you to get back on your throne. Why are you putting yourself to be stressed out by people who you don't even know? If you know, maybe you can start to work on this. You are the owner, the author. Let me tell you something. You are responsible for your peace. Hold on a minute. 1 minute. Yes, Curly. You are responsible for your peace of mind. And if you know that you're going to do something and you cannot, because it's 2 things. If you know that when you come out here and you eat on the live, and they're going to talk about it, and you know so it's going to irritate you, don't eat, Curly. Then they won't have nothing. Curly, you give them things to talk. And some people, they don't not, I tell you, I know when to put social media thing and I know when to leave, because let me tell you something. I, Janice and Marie Foster, in the name of content, don't want to see nobody go into depression. I don't want to hear that somebody driving and they need to act. I don't want to be responsible for nothing like that. Nothing like that. because I was from an era in where I grew and we live. We will have a word. Nobody have never. Actually, I was the one who used to cuss and galambad. Nobody have never get physical. In the era when you and somebody not talk, somebody can't come from out there because somebody time you for come. The one who you and them not talk, them must start the fight. So that's how I grew. And let me tell you something. I'm not going to say I feel sorry for you, because that's the worst thing I can say, but really it's irritating to me what is happening. And it's not about what Curly do or what Curly say or what Curly do to Miss D or what Curly do or what have you not. I am talking about Curly now, a woman, a black woman. Let me tell you something. I know what it is. I am going through my phase. I know what it is. And I know how she must feel. Maybe her way of getting to it is to come out and cussing and going on. But Curly, it's not working. You're draining yourself. You have to try a different method. And I'm not going to tell you to leave social media, because social media is not for me. What I would advise you to do, when I know you don't like it, invest more time in selling your things, making money. Do your content them that you can make money off them. I don't want her to have a man. I don't care. Let me tell you something. As I said, the only person I have a problem with for now is Tina Chin. I don't want, because I know the Curly that I know. I saw her about 2 times. I remember the first time I saw Curly have on a blue wig and a blue lipstick with her face makeup. Then after I saw her over at Planka shop, then I start watching her page, and I tell you, I just used to come home and I'd look forward. I used to call her the clown Curly, because let me tell you something, whenever time whatsoever I am going through and I see Curly take that mic and start singing, and she start to sing that members only, it's like a joy. All that's what I really admire. Let me tell you something. I like to hear Curly sing members only. I like to hear Curly sing members only. And Curly is carrying herself down up the wrong path. Come on, Curly, man. Curly, let me tell you something. There's a light. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. But you see, since you don't know the journey to go there, you know the journey, you can turn back. In your case, you can turn back. Just leave out this towing to and the art thing. Just leave out, because let me tell you something, Curly. Some people, because I don't think some of them ever have a crack. Some people, in the name of money, in the name of money, they will go all the way. And this is why when I lost my son, to keep my mental state and my peace and my freedom, because let me tell you something, I don't run certain joke. I will damage people, physically damage people. And I say, you know what, my age and me have my kids are doing good, so I try to avoid it. Because some people can be very devious, because they say them don't know life. Some of them are the first. Let me tell you something. Some of these people on here is YouTube and Facebook. Make them know what it is as what a paycheck is. As sad as it might sound. So them go all the way for it. Some of them in a YouTube and Facebook make them know what a paycheck is. Or a pay slip. So them not have. Them don't know when to ease up. Them don't know when to give a break. And early, you have what to lose. Because when you lose your state of mind, sister, and if you don't get a hold on it, if you don't get a hold of it, Curly, what more you wait on? What more you waiting on? What more? What more you waiting on? So much things here happen. What more you are waiting on to happen? Are you gonna wait until one day them play pull up on you? Well, that's what you're gonna wait on. Maybe if you don't value your life, I guess that one son, your family, your sibling, they don't want to be the pain, because even though I'm a Tom Jones, I'm sure my family don't want nothing to happen to me. So think about it. You might not like me, but think about it. Think about you, Curly. It's about you. And you don't have to change tomorrow. Try, Curly. Try. Because you are going to lose your state of mind. And Curly, once you lose your state of mind, it's anything. And I guess when you can't catch the serpent or the person that molests harass you, then you might do harm. You might be driving and with everything on you. Come on, Curly. Think about yourself. Start to ignore. Curly, why are you building people and you're not building yourself? Stop, give them content. Stop it. Curly, let me tell you something. You not because you not answer somebody mean you're scared of them. You don't know them, you know. But me, you say true, me don't know about you. You say true, me know me. I know say what me we do. Me avoid them. Worse when me cannot catch them, because some of them you will never catch them. A mosquito ever bite you yet? I want to hear ready for clap yourself so hard. A mosquito bite you, clap yourself so hard when you're looking or catching the hunger. How you feel? How you feel? So I can imagine when you sit down and a toe-to-toe and a bill and a stop it. Once there's life, there's hope. You make people feel like the situation where you're in where you have bad credit, you were evicted, and this or that. You can rise again, Curly. Marcia, you can rise again. Focus to rise again and top sit down 2 and 3. Top argue with the people them. Because to say them not, me tell you already, some of them this is the first time them ever get a paycheck. So them will do anything, make them one stay there. Make them one stay right there, Curly. Start to do back your karaoke. Cause maybe you're not gonna get the money where you get now. And you still can you say most of your video them not the monetize with the only bad one. You will still get the money and then them have to go figure out how them are gonna get it. You will figure out because I say me are one of them personally. If you come back with your members only. And I don't want no friend from you, but if you come back with your members only, me personally will watch you and share you. I still not talk with you. So you will still make a money. But when you not answer them, they go cut you for 1, 2, 3. When they really say, because then nobody now go watch them, them have to go get content. You have your content. You have your content. Put on back your shorts and put on your wig. And at the same time you will get your catch up and you will get yourself, because a lot of people will buy a sheet from you and you sell the sheet, them will give you something on it. So you know how you can make your bread. Why you are going to look the wheat? I'm going to tell you what it look like curly. It look like you look the wheat, make the flour, bake the bread, and when you're done, you are eat the crumbs. Where go so? Where go so? Look at Zandrama. Look at Zandrama. At one point, Zandrama and her daughter was homeless. Where Zandrama and her daughter used to go up on the mall and go sing and do them little something. And in the night, I come them go them shelter, them go in them shelter. Till them reach pan the little she and her daughter reach pan the daughter reach pan American Got Talent. Jamaica no ma fall pan hard time in a foreign. Why you are condemn yourself? Why you are push yourself deeper with your thing where you have from your curly and your whatever you go through with even your child? I mean, they have to cut your child because we are all mother may have a problem child to stand up, pray and stand up and decide say look, you're not answer. Turn up and fight with me. Maybe that's why God, because sometimes you say practice. Remember my auntie tell me practice where you pray. Be careful where you wish for, because me did wish say. I mean not there to condemn you or anything. Before me have to go before me have to go a GP. Take me to the graveside with them. And even though he was not a criminal, but maybe God opened my eye, because I would rather to see my child in the grave than me have a criminal child. I can't go with it. Especially to how things are going now. Come in a love walk and look behind my shoulder. That's me. If I have a picnic and I go walk and take people like Father God take Simon. And that's just it. So whatsoever you're going through, you have enough. Do not make the social media thing get to you. Now, if Curly wanna have our platform and let those people boots her up to failure, that's her problem. Because I don't care. Let me tell you something. I don't care what she cost me, tell me say. She cost me the worst already, but me I got talk. Because I see where it's so irritating to me. Me can imagine Curly. If it's so irritating to me, me can imagine how she feel. Maybe she just, me tell you, it hurt, you know. It hurt. That's my fellow Jamaican there. She can still upload her image like what? Come I tell her already. Because they say a Curly is losing here. If Curly come out tomorrow morning and I don't care who have to unfollow, me I share her out. And I do a little thing. See her sell her sheet to her come out and I do a me I share her out. But now with this, no with this, what is going on here? It does not worth it, Curly. Curly, live your life where you say you live. Me say you put on board party. Me know you travel go. If you say you travel and you're such a queen and you're such a big deal, what you doing at them here something here? Me will have 10 to have sore foot and hungry belly now. Yup, girl. And you come out, you come say you're a big deal and you're a queen. You're the half of your throne too. When me know say as a queen now and then you go step off of your throne and take off your crown. But Curly, you step off of your throne to find your way back up on your throne and put on back your crown. That's what you start there. You say you're traveling. You big deal don't do these things. Maybe let me tell you something, Curly. Maybe somebody wants to help you. But because of what is going on now, they are scared. Stay focused, Curly. Stay focused. Anything will happen to you on social media, it happened already. You're not the only one. If me did I jump up and down and I got Bonnier and all them places there, so I couldn't pay my rent. If me did I jump up and down and not invest time and pay for my picnic for God school and so, we never know. We never know. I'm not going to tear her down because I'm going to tell her something. I see a piece, somebody sent me a video and I don't even want to repeat it. And this is why I do the live. I say, Father God, help and take care of this sister here, especially with her state of mind. Because if you don't have a state of mind, I'm going to tell her something. I don't see what me and her have where me I got. It's not necessary. And words what me I go say to her, I say it from the bottom of my heart. Cause I'm not afraid of nobody, I'm not have too much. As God live at me, I say, I tell you, I want somebody me have a vengeance for till no one at Tina. Anybody else? And I don't want to hear say nothing to her. And I'm not gonna sit down. I'm going to make sure I talk to her. It's not about that's why I'm not going to repeat certain things. I'm not going to tear her down. You know why I'm not going to tear down Curly? Well, me and her did have a difference and we're done. We are forgiven. We and her did have a difference. We tell one another, we tell one another. Fear problem if she want to have me, that's a fear business. Now, at the end of the day, Me don't know what curly and people have. Me don't know. I don't know if I tease them or tease her because them love cuss. Or I don't know. I do not know. Because as I tell you, I used to watch Curly when he used to come out and say, hey, hey, kick, 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 kick. Remember, that was my Curly. The rest of it, no. The whole heap of cloth and the whole heap of suck out and the whole heap of this and that, no. I don't know which part where Curly and Curly to what me get to understand Curly mother pass on from she small and her other mother pass off about a year going to 2 years now. So I don't know why Curly always have to dip on social media report and I tell why. Curly, let me tell you something. You're not supposed to report to nobody. You're a big woman. But what is this cursing for? What the cursing for? What Curly a curse for? Cause Curly now curse to get likes and views and money on our page. It now benefit Curly. When Curly curse Curly now take 5 minutes out and so no buy some bumbleclad treat from me. Some just don't understand what I'm talking about. I think Curly, let me tell you what happened to Curly. I think Curly is mentally and emotionally drained and it's taking a toll on her and she's fighting. What you fighting for? I don't know. Sometimes what you explain too much. You're explaining too much. You ever hear the word say fish back? You don't have to come out and explain anything to anybody. You don't have to show anybody anything. You get a little piece of job. You don't have to show people what you eat. Leave them right there. You don't have to argue with anybody to make content. You can sell your sheet and sell your curtain and make content. You can do your little karaoke and make content. Why you have to argue with people where benefit from you? Why? You could have make your little content them and put them and you get your money. When they cost you for 2 weeks, Curly try it. Curly try it. Them are gonna cost you for 2 weeks. You no answer. Come on your life, do your thing, do not answer anybody bring it to you. Come on, me tell you something. Some of them, I know everybody will sit on your page and in your sitting say them no mean you're not good. Curly, my grandmother always say every dog we back if a flingstone after. Curly, 2 weeks. And you a bill them Curly. And you a bill Curly 2 weeks and then I have nothing else. Them have to go on to somebody else. Are them gone? I want to see you do a live where you not address nobody. I want to see you do a live and I'm not gonna be here if you feel like you want to mention. Because you have known her and you want to criticize her, but you not have to drag her down. You know have to drag her down curly. You know have to body shame her. If the plank of them not trouble you, take it out of your mind. And not only the plank of them, in your case, anybody will give you trouble and make you think of the plank of them. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do it. Everybody where you know it upon social media. Everything where you do it upon social media. You meet one man in the past social media. If a people man in the past social media, why you feel like you have to be the Kardashian? Me know the reality show of your life. But the reality show of your life can be when you put cause I'm telling you, and something me talk, you are the only somebody when me see. What would I say from the other side or over the fence? We put on something upon your body. We would have put on and say, yes, that girl here look good. You wear some nice things sometime. Sometimes you wear some nice things. While each way of it, sometimes we feel like I just with there when I will lose my head. But if you say you put yourself together, someone may admire with you, you always put yourself together. When you say you step out, you step out. Nobody else may say, well, that's from over the fence. When I say put on nothing, that's me say, curly that. You have it, why you throw it away? So it's not that we want you leave off. If you see me deal with something, anybody you can talk about it. But not for body shame, and not for go on, and not for come out, and curly you not for show off on people. You don't have to show off on people. You buy a meal, nobody not ask you the price. You take somebody, man, nobody don't have to know about it. Try and do, you don't have to do it tomorrow, but try. 2 weeks, don't answer nobody, then come, then cuss, then don't answer. Shit, do not answer. Shit. Drive with your people, them and go where you want to go. Buy your sheet and sell your sheet. Your curtain. As someone know, me see one nice little jean shorts the other day with one white blouse. Buy a set, buy 1 6 set and come and sell and go on with yourself. And 2 weeks then cost you don't answer. Give them 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, curly them a go gone and leave you one standing. Do not answer. You have to sell your sheet. You need customer. You build everybody platform and don't build yours. Look for I even do. Look for Olivet. Look for Queenie. Me not say no one then Queenie don't answer no. Come with a put in and see them look. How many want go? What me not see them look a hyper group. See them look a hyper group. Come in a come feel out you. For them look a hyper group, hyperactive group. You see Queenie I come out here come argue with everybody. You see Olivet come in, so when Olivet ready she shake up her body and she go on. Mix up in cream and galang and chat and something. She might not have whole heap of people on her life, but go back, go look on her views. Go back, go look on our views. Queen is not argue with everybody. Look how much people that Queen is not argue with everybody. Why you out here? Why you come off of your throne and take off your crown and vessel and go back up on your crew? Go back up, man. Warm back up. You're in a every day you're in a boxing ring. Every day you're in a misery. Over 2 years now, every God Almighty day you're in a misery. You over there, so how they send you? You hear Miss D talk or you share through a word pan? How you come to that conclusion? Leave that alone, man. You just sound like a little child one time. He make monkey. I used to make one picnic along out there. So him start ball say my trouble them. Come on, Curly. Rise up. Start by ignoring. And get the strength. So when you ignore, take it from me. Take it from me. When you ignore, just ignore with this in your mind. I will not talk to garbage, I burn garbage. I will not talk to shit, I burn shit. I will not talk to garbage. Read, pray, play gospel music. People come to you, run them. When you say you can't, you say you're not answer to a certain individual you start, and when you say you're not answer done, them are gonna say you're afraid. Yes, coward man keeps on bone. Them are gonna say you're afraid, Curly. Of course you're afraid for God work house. Of course you're afraid for sing your soul. For people who not work it. Of course. Yeah, man. Of course I'm afraid, especially if I leave my son not for God work house left him. Of course you're afraid to lose your sanity. Of course. So start by that. Something may I teach you. I don't talk to garbage, I burn garbage. I don't talk to shit, I burn shit. I ignore, and in 2 weeks you get your strength and bounce back. Because you have to save your sanity and your mental state. You're not live for people where you don't know. You're not, me tell you already. Some of them a Facebook and YouTube make them know what a paycheck is all the days of their life. Every jump tick will beat your jump. Every dog will bark your throw stone off. Come on, Curly, get up, man. Get up. Show the people them the big deal. Show the people them you are not the only one. I know you wanna go through things.